Well, hey guys, here's the light boxes and covers for these lights for the salt spreader. So soon as these get done within I think it's a couple hours, then I've got to uh, undo all of these wires where these are connected so I can run them through that little hole, because these wires are they come together and they get soldered together right there. These two wires, or these four wires, get all soldered together. So I'm going to have to cut these, put it in the box, and then resolder all the connections and all that stuff for this.